Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike Cosmic Creations. Going to show off a set of Polaris Slingshot wheel rings that we just finished up. These are 7-row per wheel. These are our exclusive 96 count. This is 96 LEDs per meter. And these are extremely bright. These are also 30% more LEDs than what you get with a lot of other vendors, but also 30% smaller, and they are 30% brighter because of the amount of copper we put in our boards that allow more power or more amperage to go from beginning to end. Go ahead and get these turned on. These also, if you noticed just a minute ago, you don't see any arrows, no indicators, no writing, no copper pads, none of that. These are a true black strip. These come in clear, as you see here, and tinted, or blacked out as some people call them. We also have something similar to these in our 144. That's 144 LEDs per meter. We've got another set of rim lights coming out for another customer. That's going to be 10 rows per ring, so really insane. We've done those in full kits for the slingshots. Speaking of kits, we have all our kits and our pricing available on the website that you can look at. You can build however you want your slingshot to look. You've heard me say it probably before in other videos, but we have different eyebrow kits, we have different hood kits, different underbody kits. We got mirror and sidebody kits. We have interior kits. We have rear exterior kits. We have spring suspension kits. We've got obviously wheel kits. We've got 4 different controllers. Some of these are audio or music activated. Some of them are got up to 200 modes. So really impressive on what we can do with those. If you have any questions, just let me know. But again, check the video description link below so you can go to the website and see all of our prices and options. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.